So hi guys, welcome back to the channel Cryptoaxe. Cryptoaxe this side. Hope you all are doing well. So in this video we are going to discuss about some of the points that a beginner who is investing or getting into the cryptocurrency market should keep in mind, right? So all these points will be beneficial for you. So I will request you to watch this video till end and you will surely like it, and also subscribe the channel if you haven't yet. So without wasting the time, let's get started.
This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only. Trading is informed, involves risk. So before everything you do, analyze your financials and then decide. We are not responsible for any kind of losses. It is very important to do your own analysis before making any investment based on your own personal circumstances.
Okay guys, so there are few of the parameters that you need to know when you are coming into the crypto market, right? So I'll be starting with three of the points that these three things are very necessary to come in. Before coming to the market, you need to know these things, right? So number thing, firstly is doing your own research about the market, right? Crypto market is high risk, high reward ratio game, but if in case you are good enough with your analysis, if you are good with your own personal research, then you can surely make money out of it. Number two will be risk appetite, right? What does risk appetite mean? That what is the amount of risk you are taking on your capital or your investment, right? Let's suppose there are different kind of coins, altcoins, high market cap coins, So what these coins are, what is the difference between these coins are, some of them are high risk, high reward, and some of them are low risk and low rewarding, right? But you need to check whether which one fits you, right? What is your personal risk appetite? How much you can accept the losses if in case the market is down for few of the months, right? So this is the second thing I would like to mention here, right? Number three is one of the most important point, which is observing the timing of investment. So most of the people, what do they do is they come into the crypto because of the hype, just because of the hype. They got to know from their friends, from their family mates that they made good profits in crypto. So this is how they come into the market. And what do they do whenever they come into the market? So might be market is pumping at that time, or it's already onto the all-time high. This is how they got to know about the hype, right? And this is how the whales trap them, right? So whatever they invest, the investment goes lower and lower, and unfortunately they lose their money, right? So number three will be one of the most important points that I told you, that observing the timing of your investment, right? That means that is this the correct time you are investing in, right? If it's not, then I would request you to wait for the correct timing, right? Keep these things in your mind and you definitely will gonna succeed in the cryptocurrency market, right? So this is the thing. If you want to learn more about the things, more videos will be coming in the future that will be very helpful and beneficial on the basis of trading, on the trading purpose also. So if you haven't joined the Telegram channel, make sure to join. If you haven't subscribed the channel, make sure to subscribe it, and meet you soon in the next video. Thank you.